Hi, I'm introducing the AYC Portable UV Wand by Keen Essentials. To turn on your unit, you're going to turn the knob clockwise. It is not going to turn the light on if it's facing upwards to protect your eyes. You will have to turn it over. And again, when you turn it up, it's going to automatically turn off to protect your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, and you turn the knob counterclockwise to turn it off. To charge it, you just plug in the USB port. You either plug it into a computer or an outlet with a little control box. And the red light means it is not at full charge. When the light turns green, it means it has been fully charged. Before using the wand, make sure to read the manual very carefully so you can read all the specs and the directions and safety precautions. So I'm gonna turn it back on. And the way this wand works is that it emits ultraviolet rays with a wavelength between 260 to 280 nanometers. And you're gonna wanna move this wand very slowly over the surface that you're trying to sterilize after you sterilize it with some sort of alcohol. And you do this and repeat this 2 to 3 times. I want to hold it about 5 centimeters away from the surface. Okay, and I'm going to turn it up, and you see the light turns off. So to turn it off, again, I'm going to turn the knob counterclockwise, and that is how you use the AYC Portable UV Wand by Keen Essentials.